Hey, good afternoon, everyone. First of all, wish you all the best for your career, the students which are planning to go abroad and to the fabulous country. Myself, Dhaval Patel. I work for IDFC First Bank and I'm the education loan business head for IDFC First Bank. Uh, Before you know, you kind of plan your career in terms of which course, university, one of the important aspect which I would like to throw some light on is financial planning. And that's where we as a bank come in, where we want to fund deserving students who are going abroad or as well as studying domestic courses to enable them to pursue their aspirations. Next slide, please. So who are we? Who is IDFC First Bank? IDFC First Bank is one of the fastest growing banks in India. It has been named the best consumer digital bank in India, Economic Times Best BFSI Award, and we have a customer base of almost 7.3 million. We have an aspiration to become world-class digital retail bank for the country as well as in the world. So we are coming out with a lot of innovative solutions, keeping customer centricity in mind. Next slide, please. So what do we have to offer to the students? See, as a bank, we always believe that all our products, especially in the education loan, should be customized as per the student's requirement and should be keeping the student as a fulcrum for giving a loan. So we are not going to kind of reject a loan to a deserving student just because he doesn't have a strong co-applicant. We believe any deserving students in terms of his academics, where he's going, and if he can gauge his future income, we would like to give him a loan. We want to keep student at the center of the loan giving process. Unlike some traditional players who will ask for properties or who will kind of ask for strong co-applicants, irrespective of what the student's pedigree is. So we have loans up to 30 lakhs unsecured. For secured loans, we can go as high as 1 crore. As I said, we don't require what your father or mother or any co-applicant's income papers if we feel your future income is going to be sufficient to repay the loan. We'll be covering your entire cost, which is tuition fee, transportation, any additional expenses. For example, you want to buy a laptop, you want to go on an exchange once you're over there. We have top-up facilities that, after reaching almost, let's say, completing half of your course, you want to go on an exchange, you want more funds. If you think you're eligible, we'll be having also a top-up facility. We also give sanction letters, which are for the visa process. And best part is what we've understood is students who go abroad generally tend to repay their loans in a span of 3 to 4 years after their studies. So we have no foreclosure, part payment charges. We have moratorium and customized flexible repayment options. So you don't need to pay for 2.5 years to the time of course of your study. And you can pay simple interest or EMI option. Depending on what your requirement is, we can customize a product. Next slide, please. Why should one take an education loan? If I were you, I would say the first and the foremost reason is maybe I want to do it my funding for my education independently without my help of the parents. That is what I hear from a lot of students, that they don't want to burden more their parents for going for higher education. Second, it's a safety net for contingencies, right? Like as I said, you want to go for an exchange, you have some other courses which you think can make up your career better, right? You having an education loan helps. You also get a proof of funds when you apply for a visa. You have an income tax benefit in India. So if your parents who are earning here can claim income tax benefits under 80, which will further reduce your interest rate, effective interest rate, because there is some benefit on the interest component which they're going to pay, right? Plus there are tax benefits on forex, right? Next slide, please. Thank you. So this is all from us. We would like you all to kind of come to IDFC First Bank, and we would be happy that we become a partner in your aspirations and we can be a partner to fulfill your dreams of your career. Happy to take any questions if you have. Great. So I think from my side, I thank you, all the students, for attending the seminar, giving us a patient here, and I thank Priscilla and the organization to give us an opportunity to present over here.